Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. In this video tutorial, it's going to be a quick one, but I will show you how to get a free A2P SMS compliance snapshot for your GoHighLevel. Now before we get started, you can get 30-day free trial as well with our link down below on GoHighLevel. So if you want to try GoHighLevel to the fullest, you can get that in our link in the description. Now, obviously guys, how can you get a free A2P SMS compliance snapshot? Well, the thing is, you can get this through Extendly. So if you go to the Google and if you type in free 2AP or A2P SMS compliance snapshot Extendly, and if you scroll down to here, we can see that we can basically get an A2P 10 DLC compliance snapshot by Extendly completely for free. So we want to click on that and we will land on this page right here. Now, as you can see, no strings attached, it's 100% free. You have step-by-step directions to become compliant right here. So basically, as you can see here, you can watch this video to see how you can actually go and get this free A2P snapshot. But basically, you want to go here, and as you can see, you want to go download my A2P snapshots. Now, what this will do is this will land on the membership sites here, which is a free offer. So all you have to do is just put your email and full name, and you will be able to get your free A2P SMS compliance snapshot, right? So that's how easy it is. Obviously, as you can see, you pretty much get everything right here explained. So if you want to know how this works in depth, you can basically go here and see for yourself how it can work in depth. Now, if you have any issues or anything with this, you can go here and you can contact them directly. However, this is pretty much how to get a free A2P SMS compliance snapshot for GoHighLevel. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and you can get our 30-day free trial down below as well in the description. So definitely check that out as well. Thank you guys for watching.